finally receive our social media advertisers permit after trying to get it approved for almost 1 month. My first application was last February 5 and it got rejected. Well, hindi naman rejected, pero lagi siyang binabalik sa akin to modify because ang comment nila was I have to submit my business license, which was so confusing because I submitted the business license that I received via email that was sent to me by Invest in Dubai, which was this one. Ito yung Dubai Unified License. So, sinabit ko siya with all our social media accounts, lahat ng Cuddles and Crumbs na social media accounts, including yung YouTube channel ng kids. Pero it was sent back to me again. Siguro mga 4 or 5 times siyang binalik sa akin with the same comment na I have to submit yung business license. Gulong-gulo na ako so finally nakita ko na may live chat doon sa NMA. When you go to the National Media Authority, on the lower right of the website, merong live chat doon. It's very helpful. So if you have questions regarding your applications at hindi mo naintindihan bakit nare-reject or bakit laging pinapadala sa'yo, you can chat with the customer service. They're very helpful. It turns out, mali pala yung unified license. The unified license is not the copy of the business license that the NMA requires. What the NMA require is for you to send the e-trader license with the government seal of Dubai. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Ang nangyari is, when I modified it, I applied. Ang nangyayari pala is, hindi nag-upload properly. So, even if in-upload ko na yung tamang document as verified by the customer service ng live chat ng NMA, hindi siya nag-upload. So, the NMA customer chat suggested that I delete my current application and submit a new application. So, that's what I did. So, sinapit ko na yung e-trader's license, which is this one, yung my government seal ng Dubai, my police clearance, Emirates ID, all our social media account. I submitted it. After siguro less than 1 minute, binalik na naman sa akin. And then they said, please attach the accounts only belonging to the applicant who holds the business license. Sabi ko, what? Bakit na naman siya nabalik? All of those accounts, I manage. There's a question kasi when you apply is, are you managing these accounts? Which is, ako yung nagmamanage ng lahat ng social media accounts, including the kids' YouTube channel. So, bumalik na naman ako sa live chat ng NMA and asked them to help me figure out why my application was sent back again. And then, the chat said na, I need to remove the kids' YouTube channel kasi it is not under my name. It is under their name. So, yun. So, I modified my application again. They suggested, since pagka dinidelete ko lang yung account, yung YouTube link ng kids dun sa list of social media accounts, hindi nare-refresh. So, when I submit it, nag-a-appear pa rin pala yung YouTube application. The customer service agent suggested that I delete the current application again and create a new one. So, when I created a new one, in less than 1 minute, na-approve agad yung social media advertisers permit. My first mistake was submitting the wrong e-trader license document. And the second one was submitting the kids' YouTube account. So, kailangan yung YouTube account ng kids, we should get them a different license. So, yeah, if you have any questions regarding your social media advertisers permit, maybe it was also sent back to you or we receive the same error, just comment down below and I'll help as much as I can. That's it. Bye!